Joaquin, prépare le soin pour saluer les fans inconditionnels, les téléspectateurs, téléspectatrices, les auditeurs, les auditrices, Joaquin Yo. Nous, point de vue de sport, quand on va parler de goalkeeper, ça, jeune haïtien, ça, qui a dans U-20, qui a fait parler de lui. Nous passons avec Joaquin. Nous allons continuer à abonner à la chaîne, après la chaîne, là. Action de jeu, côté, il y a plusieurs pénalités. Nous passons avec nos jeunes goalkeepers, ça, très jeunes, nouveau goalkeeper, ça, qui est dans la sélection U20. Et nous rappelons qu'il tape dans Violette. Nous passons à plusieurs actions de jeu avec un Joaquin. Abonnez, partagez, subscribe, like. Nous sommes toujours là pour nous pour information, mais côté l'information, nous allons chercher l'information pour nous. On le suit avec un Joaquin.
Cuban striker. Haiti have given up 5 goals. They've given up 2+. Arnold rotates it on. Correas knocks it down. Correas cranks it off the ground. It's a solid save from Bragg. Arnold darts past the first, can't get past the second. On his backside, Rasil steals.
1 against 2. There's a need for support. And here it comes. Connection! Connection! What a save by Gray. The goal saving stop from Haiti's #1. So many times you talk about goals.
Josh Torquato, who's earned some first team minutes with FC Dallas. Now a right-footed strike by Berchimas. Beaten away by Carlos Bray, the first save of the match. There was Ninfasha Berchimas.
Long distance shot this time. Doesn't have a lot of... It's given. And it's Wilbur Diaz. Diaz detonates. Diving stop made by Carlos Bray. The young Haiti goalkeeper fends it off to preserve the lead. Diaz a chance to top. Easy sit up, watch out, trouble. Iglesias, oh, this one just misses the left bar. Perfect ounce of power, but Iglesias and company not able to convert. This cross.
Convierte en penal. Mesía al tiro, lo paró el arquero, todavía el rebote. Afuera. Increíble la manera de cobrar.
It's Carlos Bray. The area. It's Clipia laying it along. Contreras with a big chance, and then Berchimas just overran the rebound. He keeps it in play. Sends it up for Gusky, who couldn't take it down the way he wanted. Shouts for a foul from the U.S.
Cubans trying to edge closer. That shot right to the breadbasket of Bray, and Quinones would love to have that one back. Quinones dropped it off. Burrell, right-hand side. Cubans looking for their first goal of this game, and another shot into the breadbasket of Bray.
Of creativity from their midfield, from their wingers. They force a turnover here, and it's a shooting opportunity for dying seconds of the first half. Days to the end line. Did he keep that in play? And it's volleyed along and on. It's a crucial block. It's still alive and blocked through again, and Bray is sprawling down. He makes the save. There were big shouts for a penalty from the U.S. It's not given by the referee. It's still alive on the edge of the 18. Now it's cleared.